Hi, I want to introduce you to crystals for your home. And this kit includes 4 crystals and a selenite. Black tourmaline is a protective stone. This puts an energetic shield wherever it lays. So place this inside by your front door to protect your front door and whoever enters from negativity and just bringing good energy into your home. Citrine is the stone of positivity and light. It does not hold on to negative energy. It just emits positivity. That's why it's a great crystal to have in a kitchen or on a kitchen windowsill, because the kitchen is usually a gathering spot, and this is a place where positivity and good conversations happen. Amethyst is a stone of harmony and peace. It also is a great stone for relationships. When this is placed in the bedroom on a nightstand, it helps to bring tranquility, harmony, and love into any space that it resides. Quartz crystal is the crystal of clarity. It is known to bring blessings and attract miracles. This is a perfect crystal to put either in a living or a dining room area to enhance the positive energy and to have a light emission throughout your whole space. Selenite is a stone of light. And when you use this to connect all your crystals together, it helps to bring an energy of connection and a gridded type light energy into your space.